Okay, I've started doing example 9 here. I just kind of pre-constructed it. It says graph segment AB with coordinate A or point A at 2, 1, right 2, up 1, and coordinate B, that's point B, going right 7 and up 8. And I've done that already. I think I counted it right. And it wants to find the length of segment AB, the one in blue. So one of the ways to do it is to use the distance formula, but we haven't quite learned that yet. But we know Pythagorean theorem, so I'm going to just draw the segments in. I could go over to here and find that distance, and I could go over here and find that distance. And I'm going to call this point C. Okay? And so what we really did is, how do we find distances? Well, we take the coordinate of C. So remember A. Well, let's just count the spaces for now, and we'll do it that way. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So AC equals 5. And we'll count the spaces from C to B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. From B to C or C to B. Okay? Well, we just got a triangle and we just plug it into Pythagorean theorems. How big is AB? Well, AB is squared is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. Well, I don't know what AB is, so I'm just going to write AB. But whatever it is, I'm going to take the square root. And remember, I'm supposed to take the plus or minus of it. And again, we don't want negative distances, so I'm going to drop the minus later. I forgot to mention that in the previous example. And we know AC is 5. And we know BC is 7. So we're going to get the square root of 25 plus 49. And that is going to be the square root of 74, I believe. The square root of 74. So why is it not, it's technically plus or minus, but I already mentioned that we don't need the minus because we're not going to have negative lengths. And what's going to happen in Algebra 2, you're going to get burned on that. But right now, I'm just warning you, got square root of 74. So AB equals the square root of 74, okay, which is approximately, if you type that in your calculator, second x squared 74 is about 8.6 units. There's your answer right there. And that's the length about right there.